I have opened Eclipse in my desired workspace. So let us start with creating a Java project. For that, go to File, then go to New. I'm going to name it as Java Demo Project. You can name anything you want. Over here, I've also specified the JDK to be Java 14. Click on Finish. It is asking you that if you want to create a module or not. I'm not going to create, so it's up to you. When you expand this particular project, now if you can see over here in this bracket a JRE library file, then you need to remove that and put the JDK file that we have downloaded. So here you can see there is a JRE system library in which you need to add the JDK file we have downloaded. Just right click on your project, go to build path and then go to configure build path and then go to libraries. Just click on module path and then click on add library. Then go to JRE system library, then click on next. And over here you will be able to see install JREs. Go over there and click on add, click on standard VM. And over here you can specify the JRE home. For this you need to know where your Java file is present. Mine is present in program files. Just click on the JDK that you have downloaded and select the folder. And you have to rename this particular area if you get that above warning message. Just name it anything you like. If you specify the version, it would be much easier for you to recognize that this is your latest Java. Just click on finish and then you have to just click on this one and then click on apply close. You can see JDK 14 new, then click on finish. And over here you have to first remove the earlier JDK and this is your newer JDK. Click on apply and close. So now you can see your JDK new 14 has been added to the Java demo project. And let us now learn to create a package. I'm going to create a package inside this another package src. In Java you can treat a folder as a package and package is a place where you can contain all your codes. So the steps to create packages, right click on src, go to new and then go to package. Over here you can write your package name as demo package 1. Click on finish and you can see that a package has been added under the src folder. So let us now create a class. This is a file inside which you will preserve all your Java code. Let us right click on this demo package, go to new and then go to class. Name your class. Just select this checkbox public static void main and click on finish. So right now you have your Java demo project ready and you want to view it outside the Eclipse. So for that you just need to right click, go to show in and then go to System Explorer. So here is your project and inside which there is the folders bin and source where you can go inside source and here is your demo package and here is your Java class. A Java file will contain a .java extension. Let us open to view the Java class that we have created. You can see that the class name is Java class 1 and the file name is Java class 1. So from this you can deduce that your class name and your file name should be the same. A class could be called as a container which has functions or methods that could be listed together. The functions or the methods that I'm talking about are nothing but the group of functionalities that could be listed together in a class. In order to explain what exactly is a class and how are the functions defined for a particular class, I have created a class called movie And this particular class will list out all the functionalities that this particular movie will have. This movie has a certain genre, like it's a horror or a comedy movie or romance that you can mention. And in this title, you can give the title of the movie. And then over here, you can mention the ratings. Over here, the actors who are acting in that movie and actresses of the movie. And lastly, the price of that particular movie, whether you want to buy or rent with that option too. So, only creating the functions won't help you. You need a main method that is defined over here, and this main method will help you to execute your code in a certain way. Like, if you want the title to be called first, that is what main will help you with. And then if you want to call your ratings or price or any other functionality, then you can call it in main, and you can even prioritize them. So this was the overview about what a Java class is. So this is the end of this particular video. If you like my video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.